Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. And when your club don't come and they talk about the match where they go play against Arsenal. So back when they praise Arsenal, I know some them just play with Liverpool where they just play 0-0. So you got to say all their sides there for Arsenal. Now, but back when they talk say Arsenal, they play super football, and Arsenal football is very, very good to watch. So they will do on their best if they want to collect points for Arsenal, because Arsenal is coming to the Anfield. But back when they say Anfield is waiting for us. We know we have a very good record at home. So if they at the top of their game and make themselves very, very difficult to beat, then Arsenal no go fit beat them. But if they go do anyhow, say Arsenal will run over them, because Arsenal have deadly players. So you can talk to people like Luis Diaz, Thiago Alcantara, and maybe Virgil van Dijk. They will come back against Arsenal. That the possibility is there, because Virgil van Dijk missed the Chelsea game. So they play 0-0. Chelsea don't come back, even though they play with the second assistant coach Bruno again. So they played very, very well against that yesterday. I'm not expecting Chelsea player like the Pepe. Chelsea scored 2 goals in this Salah. Like they could have won Liverpool that yesterday. They played like no be Chelsea. Just get individual players. Now yesterday I can't cool down and see the squad. So kind of individual names they there. Imagine a Sterling there for bench, even though they come back from injury. Joao Felix just they run riots everywhere. Well, they try, sha. Alright, away from that, so Alexander Mitrovic don't get 8-match ban. Yes, for that when do referee. I think that was Chris Kavanagh. I can't remember the referee when they dragged the referee hand against Manchester United for the cup. They can't give an 8-match ban. Now what you call make Arsenal fans they vex. They say would they expect say Man City versus Fulham, at least Mitrovic go dey there to disturb the Man City team, but I see no go play now. Well, that one don't be like a walk over, like say they go win again. So well, that one don't pass. Yeah, that's why many see the trend for social media, Twitter, people just the part. I say for once when Mitrovic play against Man City, but it is what it is. Let's move on. Alright, our monitoring spirit that they call 442. Don't come outside, call the talk, say Arsenal, now be favorites to sign Vlahovic, Dusan Vlahovic. I know say Antonio Cassano self at one time when they advise Vlahovic, say make him go join Arsenal, but Baba no listen. Come from Fiorentina, go join Juventus. Now see in life now, I know they ask prolific and prolific, how clinical, the way they be for Fiorentina when they score games, almost every match they score again. So now, and with the deduction of points, like 15 points they come up for Juventus points accumulation this season, where they come down, Champions League will come sure for them next season. So for that reason, people like Dusan Vlahovic, they talk say because of Champions League, no go join Arsenal. Okay, more so because of Champions League now, you won't come join Arsenal. So Arsenal faithfuls they divided. Some say sign him, some say don't go for him. He don't do Shakara for us before, but now I thought I get the final say. As 442 they say Arsenal now be favourite. So we just watch at the end of the day, because we all know we need a striker, we need a target man, and this guy now be making a first choice striker, even though you can go join another people. We'll just watch. Alright, Paul Scholes, don't come outside, can give Arsenal warning about Declan Rice. So Paul Scholes can talk say Declan Rice is not worth 100 million. So make Arsenal not go waste their money, go to buy the guy 100 million. Fine, the guy is good, but not in the caliber of 100. Like the money that they call for him, because they make people when they criticize the player, at least 50 million. It's still decent to get. So if they talk about 100 million, they call people like maybe Rodri, waiting for Man City. They call people like maybe Kevin De Bruyne, 700 million gets. What if we say 100 million for Declan Rice? And because today's market is not exaggerated. That's why people like Mudryk can be costing 100 million. People say normal at 25 million. Mudryk now like 25-30 million, you go take buy him. This guy Declan Rice now, because he's playing for a relegation team, that guy 40-50 million, you go get him. Can't go groom him. To say they play for a Champions League team, a top team, you reach okay, he has won things. Maybe in the Casemiro mode, it's okay. You don't win Champions League how many times? Don't win this one. You know what they use your money they get. So it's not, you are not getting value for 100 million if you are buying Declan Rice. So make Arsenal take notes. Well, Arsenal, why I trust, they will still evaluate the guy, put their own value on the player. Tell you say this is now our own value. See how much we will offer. If you are no one said, I carry the goal. Now Arsenal, why I know that. Alright, so Daniel Kotz will be one of the journalists where they work with the Sun. Come and say, talk say William Saliba is set to miss the Liverpool clash because the guy get back injury. So Arsenal they really say they go fit play am, but according to wetin dem dey talk, Arteta now call the reason say make dem leave am out of Liverpool, but that match is going to be a high intensity match and we don't need people that are 70% or people that are 50% to get. So after that Liverpool match, we'll gradually integrate Saliba back into the fold so that he will play the remaining match, because it is a no-brainer to bring him into this match, aggravate his injury, and he misses the rest of the season. No sense there. So that's why they'll just leave him out. So this is going to be a very big test for people like Rob Holding to play against Darwin Núñez and Cody Gakpo that is very fast, because Holding they usually struggle when they play against fast strikers like Diogo Jota, Cody Gakpo, all those kind of people. So I never know how Arsenal will set up. And the match Liverpool play against Chelsea, Liverpool rest players, so they rest players. Salah don't play first half, Salah coming for second half. You get people like Diogo Cody Gakpo came in the second half. Like a lot of the players came in, even fullback Robertson come for second half because their mind they for Arsenal, because they don't say Arsenal they carry fire the cup. So we just watch as everything they unfold. Our Jack Wilshere said don't come outside, come the talk say Granit Xhaka go make a very good coach when he retire, because they come they ask and say from the current crop of players where Arteta gets now, who you feel say if they retire they will come back to coaching and do well like Arteta is doing well. But as people like Granit Xhaka, say in short, many players, but Granit Xhaka number one because he get that passion and he get that leadership quality. And for the fact, say all of us will watch Arteta, say Arteta they rub off on them, they influence them, he gets so they motivate them and so if they watch the guy, themselves won't become manager because they see the passion he embodies, so they think they bust their brains. So that's why himself go collect coaching badge when they coach our under 18, they're those small leaders. So that's normal level. Alright, Jamie Carragher said don't come outside, call the talk say Liverpool will beat Arsenal despite Arsenal's EPL favourite status. You see they talk say Arsenal have been the favourites to win the league, but according to Carragher, in the talk say if Liverpool beat Arsenal, that means Man City will get edge, because Man City go first play, they will play Southampton everywhere, all assuming that they will win, because Southampton they 20, they will shit back. So if Man City win now, the 8 points gap will turn to 5. And we don't play equal number of games. Guys, we remain 9-9 for 2 of us. Now, if we can't lose, Man City can't win their next one again. You don't see say the points deficit don't go. They still meet them for Etihad. If they can't beat us, God forbid, I'm saying it's all over now. So that's the main thing. But even if they beat us, you know me, we can still lose against Man City and still win the league. So they know they judge things based on that. So I'm going to make sure say we are unbeaten at the Etihad and unbeaten at the Anfield. If we can 1 point for the 2 matches, game on, guys. Alright, Jack Wilshere self don't come outside again. Call the talk say Omo Mario Kozia-Dubri. So this guy will be the next Bukayo Saka for Arsenal. So the only problem with the guy gets now presently, because it's still small, now the decision making, because the decision making process is very slow. And as a winger, you need to be making fast decisions. That's why after players don't make decisions, whoa, they watch it but say, hey, you don't see that player, hey, why you do like this, hey, why you do that? Because we now will get like a holistic bird eye view from our side, they see everything. If now they make split-second decisions again, so that's the thing where Kozia-Dubri need to add where Bukayo Saka don't get already. That's what Wilshere is saying. So and what 2 of them they play a similar way. The guy on lefty, they play fullback, they play forward, and they decide matches for your own level. Then again, they play very well. They influence games. So at least you don't get another star in the making from the Hill End Academy or maximum Collins, so the Hill End people. Alright, Thomas Partey self come outside for Nana Abba show. So they call the thank Thomas Partey for coming to the show. So the guest, and I see the host rather, contact Thomas Partey will be the guest. Say, okay, thank your Arsenal fans and send them a message. Welcome say, well, Arsenal fans and thank you now. At the same time, I join me to celebrate the loss where Manchester United lose against Newcastle. And from my what we call a year from sources inside our community, they can talk to that Nana Abba, the Manchester United fan. That is why Thomas Partey talk that thing, say make them laugh Manchester United. So many headlines, newspapers, bloggers, everyone can say Thomas Partey is mocking Manchester United for their loss against Newcastle. Alright, that's the nonsense scouts to go talk, go watch Galatasaray right back when they call Sacha Boy. You get say they're interested in signing the guy. Get a little bit asked like the scamper. Many people say they look the guy direction. And what we're gonna hear from the Galatasaray, they say the guy said they likely don't agree say he will leave at the end of the season. That he would like to come Arsenal. No small, anybody who has to one side. They go wrong come because you don't say when you come here you stand a chance to play because we don't have sacred cows here. Anybody can bench anybody as long as we deliver on the field of play. That's why we love our manager. So more just the watch. We all know Arsenal still need to strengthen, but all I want is top talent. This such a boy now, I never watched him before. Because of this interest now, I will run go YouTube, go check and see the kind of player we be. And even Fabrizio Romano said, don't come outside, call the talk, say Theo Hernandez is not for sale at AC Milan. In fact, he go only take a crazy bid for AC Milan to even look Arsenal side. They'll say, una say waiting. That's the only way Arsenal go inside the guy, because according to Fabrizio, he's untouchable at Milan. He helped them win league. He's untouchable. So they know they sell him many times soon. So when they talk of crazy bid, I don't say like 80-100 million, but is it worth it? I've not really watched him. I cannot really watch Serie A match like that. So I don't really know. Maybe some of them I don't watch the guy or know how he plays. Because of this one said, I will not go YouTube. Go scam him. I'm not saying go good. For him to play for AC Milan and help them win the league, it'll be okay. Alright, Florian Plettenberg, don't come outside, call the talk, say Arsenal and Liverpool are highly interested in signing Lindstrom, will be midfielder for Eintracht Frankfurt again. So Liverpool don't, before the Arsenal I get interest, but now Liverpool they push highly. So they won't sign the guy because they need players bad again. So Arsenal also they're interested. We never really know who will sign the guy. I always make everybody kind of fight for the guy because in price they're very cheap. Now in original price they know skyrocket or exaggerate and can't go up again. So the valuation is reasonable. 50 million euros. It's very decent, and the guy is a very good player. So we never know where he will end up at the end of the season. But one thing is key. Arsenal have what Liverpool does not have, and they will not have till the season will end, and a Champions League football. I don't see Liverpool entering there. So that's one again, a big incentive. Now, what many people they tell the cheat us in the past, they will get Champions League, we'll get Europa League. For that reason, player who won't buy will go meet them again. So now we have the Holy Grail, the Champions League football. So for the one side player, Champions League done the they come, I mean, they come, all those kind of level. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.